Today we are going to discuss example 3 in circles. Read the question. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeters of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. The tangents P and Q intersect at point T. See in the figure. Find the length TP. Here given circle with center O. TP and TQ are two tangents drawn from an external point T, and PQ is a chord of the circle given PQ length equal to 8 centimeters and OP is the radius of the circle. Here given radius equal to 5 centimeters. It means OP equal to 5 centimeters. PQ equal to 8 centimeters. Here we have to find length of TP. Construction. Join OT OQ. Here OT and PQ intersecting at one point. Let this point is PQR. This point is R. See this diagram. Here TP equal to TQ. Proof. The lengths of a tangent drawn from an external point T. Then the lengths of tangents are equal. Okay, write statement. Here TP equal to TQ. Consider the triangle PTQ. From triangle PTQ, TP equal to TQ, TP equal to TQ. So it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, in triangle two sides are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. Here consider triangles PTO and QTO. PTO and QTO. These two triangles. In these two triangles, OT equal to OT. OT equal to OT. This is the common side. Next, OP equal to OQ. OP equal to OQ. OP, OQ are radii of the same circle. Radii of same circle. Next, TP equal to TQ. TP equal to TQ. Let this equation from 1. Okay. Here using side congruency, then triangle PTO is congruent to triangle QTO. Therefore triangle PTO is congruent to triangle QTO by triple S congruency. Here these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay, let this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. See this diagram. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Suppose here total angle equal to 60 degrees. What is the value of 1? Value of 1 equal to 30 degrees. Angle 2 equal to 30 degrees. Total angle equal to 60 degrees. It means this line divides this total angle in two equal parts. Okay, so this line is called angle bisector. Okay, angle bisector in isosceles triangle. What are the properties of angle bisector in isosceles triangle? Here TR is the angle bisector. TR is an angle bisector. Angle bisector of angle PTQ. PTQ. Okay. Here TR line, angle bisector in between equal sides. Here TP equal to TQ. Angle bisector in between equal sides in an isosceles triangle. Then it is perpendicular bisector of third side of the triangle. Is it clear? Angle bisector in between equal sides in an isosceles triangle, then it is perpendicular bisector of third side of the triangle. Right statement. So TR is perpendicular bisector of PQ. Okay, PQ equal to 8 centimeters, then PR equal to, TR divides this line in equal parts. So PR equal to 8 by 2. PR equal to 8 centimeters by 2. How much? 4 centimeters. Then angle PRO. Angle PRO equal to 90 degrees and angle PRT equal to 90 degrees. Here consider smaller triangle PRO. PRO is right angle triangle. From triangle PRO, angle PRO equal to 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. OP square equal to 5 square. PR square equal to PR. We get 4 centimeters. 4 square plus OR square. Therefore, OR equal to 3 centimeters. Here we have to find TP length. Let TP equal to X units. TR equal to Y units. Here consider the triangle TPR. This is very lengthy problem and very important. In triangle TPR, angle TRP equal to 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. TP square equal to TR square plus PR square. TP equal to X square, TR equal to Y square, PR square equal to 4 square. Therefore, X square equal to Y square plus 4 square is 16. Let this is equation 1. Next, from triangle TPO. TPO angle, here radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. Okay, here OP is perpendicular to TP. OP is perpendicular to TP according to theorem 10.1. Okay, so apply Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse is OT. OT square equal to TP square plus PO square. OT equal to Y plus 3 whole square. TP equal to X square OP. OP equal to 5 square. OT is TR plus RO. Y plus 3. Okay. TO equal to Y plus 3 whole square. In place of X square, we substitute Y square plus 16 from equation 1. Y square plus 16. 5 square is 25. y plus 3 whole square is, this is like a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Y square get cancelled. 6y equal to 16 plus 25 41 minus 9 which is equal to 32. 6y equal to 32. Y equal to 32 by 6 2 tables 16 times 3. Y value 16 by 3. Y value substitute in the equation 1. X square equal to y square plus 16. Y value 16 by 3 whole square plus 16. X square equal to 16 square is 256. 3 square is 9 plus 16. Take LCM. LCM is 9. 256 plus 9 16 times 144. 256 plus 144 400 by 9. X square equal to 400 by 9. X equal to root over 400 by 9. This value equal to root 400. 20 root of 9 value 3. Therefore x equal to 20 by 3 centimeters. X is nothing but TP length. Therefore TP length equal to 20 by 3 centimeters. This is very important problem.